Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we are going to look at installing your Apache server and hosting a sample web page on your EC2 instance. Now, this is an example I'm showing you. The web page can be anything you want to try. So before we jump in, let's understand what is your Apache server. Now, Apache is an open source and free web server software that powers around 46% of websites around the world. The official name is Apache HTTP server, and it's maintained and developed by the Apache Software Foundation. It allows website owners to serve content on the web, hence the name web server. So it helps you to host or run your applications, your web applications over the internet. So here are the instructions that you will be needing to install your Apache server and run your web application. Here is my instance. Now I'm using Amazon Linux AMI. Now if you are using Ubuntu, the commands will be different. Even the package name will be different. Now this example is only for your Amazon Linux AMI. This also works on your Red Hat or CentOS. If you are on Ubuntu, then this is not the commands you should be using. So first I'm going to become a root user, and then I'm going to update my machine. So this is updating my OS. So I'll update my operating system. So here it says no packages marked for update because my machine is already updated. Next we are going to install HTTPD. Now this is the Apache server that we are going to install. So HTTPD is your Apache server. So here I'll say yum install HTTPD, which will install the Apache server for me. So this will install the server. So here you can see HTTPD has been installed, and it has also installed the dependencies needed for your HTTPD. Once you're done installing, this HTML folder will be, or the directory will get created. So we will go to var www html directory, and here we are going to create. So whatever index or HTML files you are going to have here, it will be hosted over the internet. Now once you are done installing HTTPD, you can go to this directory. So once you install HTTPD, this HTML directory gets created. So here I am in my HTML directory. Now before we run this command, we are going to start the Apache server. So this is the command you can use to start the Apache server. So I will say service httpd start. Now this httpd, it runs on your port number 80. So make sure when you're accessing this over the internet, in your security groups you have given permissions for your port number 80, which is http. Now when I access my to access this over the internet, you can use the public IP address or the DNS host name. So here I will give my public IP address and hit enter, and here you should be able to see this. So this is the test page. So this page is used to test the proper operation of HTTP server after it has been installed. So this shows me that my Apache server has been installed. Now after this, you will need to set up your index or your any HTML file that you want to run on the web. So we'll go back to my server and we'll create a file. So we are going to run this command. So we'll say echo this is my first web page, and we will close the tag and we will write this to index.html. So here we'll do ls and we should be able to see my file. Now since I have made some changes, you will need to restart your Apache server. That is, you need to tell your Apache server some changes has been made. So we will say service httpd restart. That is, we are going to restart my service. So my restart is done. Now we will go back to my browser and we'll simply refresh this page, and you should be able to see your web application or whatever the web page you have written in your index.html file. So this is how you can install your Apache server, and you can host a web page over the internet. That's all for this session. I will see you in the next video.